Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drone no phone is probably one of the most exciting advancements in drone technology, offering a streamlined and intuitive flying experience without the need for a smartphone or any other external devices. Perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike, these drones provide a simplified control system and often come with user-friendly interfaces, making them accessible to a wider range of users. This allows for quick setup and easy operation, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures and capturing breathtaking aerial footage without the hassle of pairing and connecting to your phone. Number 5. Holy Stone HS720. It captures stunning 4K UHD images and videos. The image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even when it's in motion. Never worry about losing it. It has GPS-assisted features like automatic return to home, follow me mode, and waypoint flight. You can focus on capturing amazing shots. Enjoy an impressive 52 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. The long-lasting brushless motors contribute to longer flight times and quieter operation. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and emergency stop make flying simple and safe. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and take it anywhere. You'll be ready to capture your adventures on the go. The controller boasts a long range of up to 3,000 feet, a clear LED screen displaying key information, and even a left-handed throttle mode option. Don't forget to remove the protective film. What we like. It boasts an impressive flight time and high-resolution camera. Its GPS features ensure safe and easy operation, making it perfect for beginners wanting longer flight times and high-quality footage. If you prioritize longer flight time and excellent image quality, this is the drone for you. What people say. Packaging and ease of assembly, excellent packaging in the included case, and literally no assembly, it's basically ready to fly out of the box. Low wind, medium wind 8 to 10 miles per hour gusts, and it holds position pretty rock steady. I have had this drone up to the factory ceiling of 116 m 380 feet every flight with zero issues except for the FPV. Number 4. Holy Stone HS720E. It's fully compliant with FAA requirements. You can get the remote ID module to ensure you're all set. This drone captures incredibly clear 4K video, thanks to its advanced Sony sensor and image stabilization. Get ready for breathtaking footage. It features air optical flow and air pressure altitude control for a stable flight experience. Enjoy exploring with confidence. With 2 batteries, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time. That's plenty of time to capture all your adventures. It has innovative flight modes like follow me and point of interest, making it simple to capture amazing shots. Focus on your creativity. The brushless motors make it incredibly quiet. Enjoy the peace and quiet while you're soaring through the skies. What we like. This drone stands out with its incredibly smooth 4K video and is officially compliant with FAA regulations. The extended flight time lets you capture more footage without interruption. If you need a reliable, high-quality camera drone that meets all legal requirements, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to fly and has been reliable. Seems well built and I have never changed the blades, never crashed either. The Holy Stone HS720 foldable GPS drone with 4K UHD camera was so easy to set up when I opened the box and even easier to fly. The image quality, stability, zoom and 90-degree downward angle was the best. I found this product easy to learn and it has the camera resolution ideal for my purpose. In learning to use this drone, I had a couple of accidents but the drone survived without damage, indicating that it is well made. Number 3. Holy Stone HS440. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, controlled either by the remote or the app. Capture breathtaking aerial scenery with its 112 degrees wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing all those special moments from above. Enjoy an impressive 20-minute flight time thanks to its powerful modular battery. Explore and capture more of your surroundings with each flight. It's foldable and portable, making it easy to take anywhere. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying case, so you can explore the world without limits. It's designed for ease of use with features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Creating stunning content has never been easier or more fun. It's ideal for beginners, offering intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. With its long flight time, you'll have plenty of time to practice and perfect your skills. What we like. It's compact, foldable, and offers voice control for ease of use. The 1080p camera captures great footage, making it ideal for beginners and casual users who value portability and convenient features. If you're looking for a user-friendly and portable drone with voice control, this is a great option. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Durable construction, crashed it several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Easy to control, easy to learn and easy to fly. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720G. Its built-in remote ID ensures safety and compliance, so you can enjoy worry-free flights. It has completed all FAA requirements, no extra module needed. Capture stunning, vivid footage with its 4K camera and 2-axis gimbal. Experience bird's-eye views with incredible detail and stability. Powerful brushless motors and a long battery life give you up to 26 minutes of flight time. It also has an impressive range of up to 999 meters. It's designed for beginners with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold. Flying has never been easier. The GPS module and optical flow positioning make it safer and more reliable, with great anti-interference capabilities. Fly farther and more stably. With Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, it offers intelligent flight options. It will handle the flying, so you can focus on capturing memories. Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, and one-key return functions help prevent loss. Bring it home safely and easily. Its foldable design and lightweight build, less than 380 grams, make it an ideal travel companion. Take it anywhere. What we like. This drone features a 2-axis gimbal for incredibly smooth footage and comes with remote ID built-in, ensuring compliance. The 4K camera captures stunning detail. If you are a beginner who wants professional-looking footage and peace of mind regarding FAA regulations, this drone is for you. What people say. Flight time in low wind condition is around 25 minutes per battery. Follow Me and Point of Interest works well and is a welcome feature at this price range. Functionally, this drone is very easy to operate. Video quality is good. At the first glance you can tell this is a good quality product. Comes in a very nice case and easy for the beginner to learn. The auto return home function was extremely nice, especially under these conditions. Both models follow identical flight configurations, so flight control from one model to another is seamless. Very detailed instructions and super responsive drones. This drone is fast and super responsive, stable in moderate winds and survived my over-enthusiasm to fly. Number 1. Potensic ATOM SE. It weighs less than 249 g, so no FAA registration is needed. Its brushless motor provides level 5 wind resistance for stable flight. Capture breathtaking 4K video at 30 frames per second with its Sony sensor. The EIS technology ensures smooth, shake-free footage. Beginner mode and multiple flight options make it perfect for all skill levels. It's incredibly easy to control. 2 batteries provide up to 62 minutes of flight time. Enjoy more time in the air and less time charging. With a 4 km transmission range, you can explore further. PicSync 2.0 ensures stable video transmission. It features precise GPS auto-return, ensuring it safely returns home when needed. Enjoy fun features like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight. Firmware updates keep it performing at its best. Enjoy continuous improvements in flight experience and image quality. It's compatible with iOS 11 and Android 7.0 or above. We include 3 adapter cables for easy connection to your phone. What we like. With its extended flight time and lightweight design, it's perfect for portability and long shoots. The 4K EIS camera ensures smooth, high-quality footage. If you value long flight times, portability, and excellent image stabilization, this drone is a great choice. What people say. Control inputs are instant, crisp, and very sensitive and took a bit of getting used to. Just basic maneuvers on the first day and it performs all of them extremely well. The camera, it is amazing. It will record video at 4K 30fps, 2.7K 30fps, 1080p, and 270p. The EIS gives you a very smooth video. The photos, well, you can almost count the leaves on the trees and the colors are vibrant and sharp. The Potensic app was easy to download and navigate, and their quick tutorial videos are perfect for first-time users. These really help me to understand the drone operations and limitations. This drone is very easy to set up and operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.